Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV with the model number TC-55EX601 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two ways to do this, either via the menu options or via the physical buttons on the TV and the remote. Now there's two reasons, I'm going to tell you how to do both of them. Now there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting if your TV is not working or not connecting or not making sound, lagging, not responding, stuff like that. Or if you're just trying to get your TV set up like it's a new TV and you want to wipe everything off of it, this will do both of those things. So via the menu, if you have access to the menu, you're just going to hit the menu button on the remote and then you're going to toggle to setup and then system and then factory default and then confirm it with a yes. Simple as that. Now, if you need to use the physical buttons, the TV does need to be able to turn on. And with the TV on, we're going to find the volume down button on the TV and then the menu button on the remote, which is just below the menu button on the left side, just below the power button on the left side. And we're going to simultaneously press the volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the remote for at least 5 seconds. After those at least 5 seconds, we can just unplug the TV, then release the buttons, wait a few seconds, plug it back in, turn it back on, and it will automatically turn on into its factory default state.